Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this here. This is the Populo and it is an LED work light. So we're gonna give this thing a go and show you guys what it looks like and how it works. So we will do this. So here we go. So in the box, we have the box. That's nice, comes with a carrying case, all the thing here. So this is a good one to keep handy in the car or in the workshop. So you can actually access it nice and quick. So here we go, you have some foam here. So check this out. I'll show you guys what it has. This is the light here, flashlight. I guess this is the battery, it comes separate. So we're gonna have to put the battery in the flashlight, I'm sure, to make it work. So it's one of those rechargeable type ones, if you've seen those before. Let's see how we're gonna do this. It's gonna go this way here, positive. Goes in, and that goes on the back. Once you put the battery in, you probably don't need to mess with it anymore because this will be rechargeable. So here we go. So there we go. The light is on, and it is bright. Let's see if I shine it behind me. You can see the lights are on in this room, and it's still pretty bright. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. We can show it open and closes on this, and then on and off. Oh, it's got different levels of brightness. I don't know if you guys can tell when it was doing that, but kind of cool. So it looks like we have the ability to take this off if we wanted to and put on some other ends. But let me just see what happens if I actually, what does this do? Is that, oh yeah, that was to make it smaller and bigger. Okay, so if I take off this end, look what else we got. We have different ends that we can plug into it. So I can go and put this end into it. Now I have a little curly end, and it's gonna work the same way. Power on. Different levels of brightness, and it goes. So how cool is that? So I have this so I can get underneath stuff to be able to see it. To get it off, just pull down and pull up. And my one last head is this one here. Look at this. Okay, I guess I have it on off mode right now. And there, if I just need a nice big bright kind of floodlight or whatever, I can put that on there. I think, is this gonna be magnetic too? Let me see. I think it will be. It will. This is going to have a magnet on here. Do I have anything metal here? Yes, I think the whole walls of this whole place is metal. Yes, so I don't know. Not strong enough to hold on just by itself there. It'll probably hold this direction, but not necessarily that direction. But how cool is this? Look at this. This light's nice. So it's got those three different ones there, and I can just put back on my original one. Cool. And it's just super easy to pop those out. It looks like right over, oops, I pushed the power on. The charger is right here. It's gonna charge with the cable that it comes with. It comes with a little micro USB to USB. So it can charge through that, and the cable comes in it and everything. And here, I'll organize this little box here for a second, and I'll show you guys what all it comes with here so you can see it together. So this is the whole box. So everything here, so you see it has the flashlight. We have that bright light. We have the little rope light, that one there, and the charging thing. And then here's the instructions there for it. And then when you're done, I like to keep these little foams in here too, just to keep it clean. I'll zip it back up, and we're ready to go. So a nice little light to keep handy. I always have it. And nice rechargeable and everything, so I really like it. So in populo, I've gotten a couple of other things from the same brand, so very good stuff. I like it. Thumbs up.